Okay, this is the vlog where I officially get to say happy holidays from Pop Board Co. We are kicking off the holidays here. Actually, we're kicking off the holidays tomorrow. I have the whole office to myself right now. It's early morning. The team should be coming in here probably the next 20, 30 minutes. I'm grabbing a camera here and I just wanted to take a moment, reflect a little bit, share a little bit of what we're doing. I'm excited here. I've got something really neat planned for the team. We've got two things going on here. Actually, we're doing the holiday in 2 days. We're going to celebrate. Day one, full-blown surprise. They have no clue what we're doing. I planned something in San Diego, and on the same day, I planned something in LA. I'm going to make the team decide where we're going to go, but not have any idea of like what we're doing. So I'll get creative. If you're watching the vlog, you'll find out. We'll get creative to see what direction we go. I wanted to take a minute and just share with you on how rad it is to be me. And there's something that happens around this time of the year, right in this region of my body. It just gets primed up, it tingles. I'm team Christmas all the way. Love the holiday, happiest day, happiest time of the year. Love giving. And it really, something happens to me and I've already figured it out. Like I've been working at Pop here for now many years. When running this brand, I get to see like really, really wide perspective of what's going on here. It's peripheral vision on a daily basis at Pop. And what happens is, during December, it just starts to narrow and it gets in this zoomed in effect and it always lands on a target. And that target is my team and how lucky I am to have them. And the reason why is I know all the individual stories. So on maybe a different vlog, I'll share with you everyone's kind of like how-abouts, you know, how we came about to meeting each other and where they were at to what they're doing now. But what's neat to be me right now is to look back at each and every single team member and know that like they've decided to make a career here at Pop. And that makes me feel so blessed. It's like a dream come true. I finally now have a tribe. I have a community here. We all come to work every day for a completely different purpose. Everyone gets that. Everyone carries that brand flag as high as I do. And to just see that and feel that is just an amazing feeling. It makes me feel so, so lucky. I just want to kind of share that with you. Like, it's just one of those really, really cool aha moments for myself. And I've always said this, like one of the neatest feelings at Pop and the biggest check we can cash is when we get to see our product in the wild. When a family's paddleboarding next to you in the marina, or you're on the lineup and you see a couple guys with your boards, or you're on the beach and you're just hanging out and you see some people using your accessories. It's one of the most coolest experiences. But around this time of the year, what kind of elevates that feeling just a tad bit is just the team. How committed they are, how loyal they are, how they've truly just decided to make this their career. This is what they want to do. They love doing it. We have a lot of fun at Pop. And just to know that like this brand is what they chose really makes me feel special. It really, really just kind of helps cement the purpose of what we do. So this is the time of the year where we get to make it about them. They're the ones that really pull the levers and turn the wheels so that our product ends up on your guys' doorsteps. I just wanted to kind of thank them, plan a little fun surprise for them, and share that with you guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Happy holidays, and cheers. Okay, and the holiday festivities. Oh, look at you guys are like all lined up here. Good morning. Early morning here at Pop. So today we're here to celebrate you guys and the overall company. We had just a rocking year, a super busy year, a wild year, and I thought we would do a little something different, and it's going to be surprise style. So only I know what we're doing. There are a few options, so at any moment this can just turn completely in the other direction, and it's like a whole other thing going on. So there's even elements in there that like I planned that I don't even know what I planned. So let's just go there, have fun, really kind of disconnect from our every day-to-day work and enjoy. Looking forward to it. The holidays.
Yeah.
Here we go. McKenna just delivered these coffees one by one for us.
This is it, right?
Yeah.
That's Dana's. You
Dana.
guys have yours, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got everyone's coffee order the night before. We ordered it 35 minutes ago, and it just finished up now. We have our first game. So we're here at the crossroads of the 73. One direction's north, the other direction's south.
We're gonna go see One Direction.
We can.
In Jonas Brothers?
Jonas
In the
Brothers.
middle of
So right now, I want McKenna. We're in the middle of the road. McKenna and Dana. McKenna and Dana play rock, paper, scissors right now.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Shoot? No.
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors. Go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
God.
Who won?
I did.
Dana won. Dana picks south or north.
Paper there.
South or north? South? Are you sure you want to go south towards Mexico, or do you want to go north towards LA? You sure?
Yeah.
You said south.
No, let's go north.
You want to go north?
Yeah.
Okay. North we're going. We are going to have
Right there, lounge,
coffee
birthdays,
at
anniversaries.
Cinnabon.
I think, team,
I think we've discovered.
I think we're going to
Universal.
You're
You're
Happy
Holidays.
Holiday Pop Party. We have arrived, and I think we're gonna do some fun stuff. Y'all ready?
We all ready to do this? Hey guys, good morning. How are y'all today? We're great. All right, Dana, what house are you?
Gryffindor.
What's that?
Gryffindor.
Gryffindor? What house are you?
Slytherin. Can I be a double agent?
Is there a house? You know what house?
Harry. I don't know. Harry's both.
Honey, what house are you?
Slytherin.
Team G right here.
One, two, three.
We absolutely appreciate you guys. Through the
Universal elf for the day.
Yeah.
cousin! No! It's incredible! That's incredible! All right, guys, lunchtime. Great spread.
Cheers.
Hey, 20 bucks on the table. What month did it start?
What month did what start?
What do you
June.
think?
Off?
Yeah,
It was June.
of course you know that. She hit it. Look at Logan just hiding out in a little set house. We're in the back lot of Universal. This is the house that one movie was shot with that one actor when that one thing happened. We're at that house. That's another house where that other thing happened with that one other actor on that one other movie. That's that house.
Hey, what's up,
Yo,
guys?
what's
going
up,
on?
Donkey?
Hello? What's up, everybody?
It's her birthday.
Whose birthday?
It's her birthday.
Whose birthday? The one walking away right now? What's her name?
Dana.
Dana!
Dana.
Dana, why are you walking away from your future, Dana?
Am I live?
I think you're live.
I'm live.
We're live, baby.
Merry Christmas from Hawaii.
From our Hawaiian Thanksgiving.
Jeez.
Christmas.
Did we do this last year too?
Jeez.
Loco Moco.
Oh, baby.
You ever have a Loco Moco? You ever had katsu?
Chicken katsu, short rib.
Short rib.
Holidays.
All right, happy
Merry
holidays.
Christmas. Oh, what you got?
Oh,
I like when it freezes and it like froze up. Camera on camera.
You're nice.
All right, guys. How was that food?
Applause. I gained 2 pant sizes.
All right, we got a game. I got a beer
We have a couple games to play, Logan.
and a coffee.
Okay.
What, Logan, you choose.
Should we play
Choose.
the candy game first or the M&M game first?
I mean,
Whose
I'm
beer
a
is this one?
big M&M guy, but let's go Candy Cane Lane.
Toss up.
So they're all minute to win it games. So
Okay,
it's either
so
gonna be
whoever
who does
grabs
it the,
the most.
the fastest or who does it
And you have
the
to do
most.
it one by one.
Correct.
And you're gonna
So
time
we're
it.
all gonna time everybody. So
Okay.
first one's called candy cane grab. So everyone's gonna take, when it's your turn, a candy cane, and you're gonna stick it in your mouth, and you're gonna use the hook. This one's a little broken, so use the second one. You're gonna use the hook part to hook up
candy canes and drop them on the plate.
Oh, wow.
Whoever hooks the most candy canes and drops them wins.
Well, it's been a year, doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas. I'll wrap it up and send it.
All right, Brandon, that was pretty impressive. Won't you count out all your candy canes, including the one you bombed on the ground? He wins it. You are the 2023 candy cane scooper ooper.
You're the
Candy cane hooker.
I'm the ultimate hooker.
You're the hold on. Okay, explain the game.
another
What are we
game
doing?
I feel like
Dana
the
just
women
passed
have
out
the
these
advantage.
straws.
Next
Yeah.
game is an M&M separating game. So however many you can separate the most of. So you can choose if you're going to go for greens or for reds. Choose your color. That's up to
Okay.
you. But however many you can get onto the other side of the plate in 1 minute.
Merry Christmas. I'll wrap it up and send it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now
Hey, McKenna's a winner. Well, Dana, thank you so much for the games. Honey, you're an animal. Brendan, great job winning.
Great candy cane hooker.
Gladiator at the M&M's.
There you go. All right, guys. For next year, it's time to level up each and one of our lives.
Let's do
Thank
it.
you. Happy holidays. We love you.
Happy holidays.
Woo!